What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we are going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Deathologist from Home Depot. Alright, I know my dad's excited for this one. He's been wanting this guy forever, and he is a really cool prop, especially for $150. He came out last year, but he sold out within like the hour of when they put him out. And he sold out within like 5 hours this time, so he's a popular one. So I'm glad they brought him back this year, but we were able to get him. So I'm just gonna open this box right up. It's very hot. It's been on a UPS truck all day. So yeah, here we go. First thing that's coming out is actually the base, which is weird. Usually the base is like one of the last things. Here it is. It's actually a pretty big base for only being a 6-foot prop. Yeah. They have these little notches where you'll put the shoes, which I will show you guys how to do that. These are some leg support poles right here. Good metal. So it's always good so it's not gonna break. You don't want all that. This looks like an arm. Probably the one with the container. The kind of coming out right here is the head, which I'm going to cut out. All right guys, here is the head. He's got a pretty big head. His hair is not real, but yeah. These will be the instructions. Probably won't use them just because I feel like I have a pretty good idea how to set them up, but maybe. Here we've got, we have the neck. So yeah, it's actually latex, that's pretty cool. We got shoes in here. They're kind of cool looking shoes right there. Here's the container with the hand already attached. It's pretty dirty looking, but cool. Here's another arm. I'm not sure what this is. This is probably the one with the stick. So fixed it. So this is the kind of wine bottle which will have the lights going through that will create that effect of it going into the cup. Here we've got some clothing. These are his pants. If he's 6 feet, these would fit me. I could wear his outfit. This is his top, which is pretty cool. He's got some like chain looking things coming down. Definitely looks like a bartender. We have the adapter in here. I'm not sure what it looks like, but we will see. And finally, we have the torso mechanism piece. Oh. Yep, this turns the head. This is the big torso piece. So, all right. That is the unboxing of this video. Pretty fun, always a fun part of the video. Now, let's get up to the setup. I have them all set up and wired up and ready to go. So let's plug him in.
Hello, good evening. What may I get you tonight? I've been told I'm the best bartender from Timbuktu to Cortland. So please, step up to the bar and I'll serve you what is likely to be the best beverage you ever had. And your last. So what will it be? Bloody Mary? Witch's brew? Oh, no, my lovely patron, no charge. Your money's no good here. Orders from the house, you see. Now, drink up. It appears that the night's just begun. Hello, good evening. What may I get you tonight? I've been told I'm the best bartender from Timbuktu to Cortland. So please, step up to the bar and I'll serve you what is likely to be the best beverage you've ever had. And your last. So what will it be? Bloody Mary? Witch's brew? Oh, no, my lovely patron, no charge. Your money's no good here. Orders from the house, you see. Now, drink up. It appears that the night's just begun. I hope you don't mind my prying, but you're not from around here, are you? Please, tell us all how it is that you've ended up in our company. Why, it appears that your heart still beats. Oh dear, no offense intended, of course. I meant it in the highest regard, you understand. Oh, there was a time that this establishment was only for the most esteemed clientele. Now look at it. Half of these mugs can't pay their liquor tax, and the other half are just poured straight out of their rib cages. But no matter. Looks like you're thirsty, so step on up to the bar if you dare. It'll only cost you your soul to close your tab. So, how are things, if you don't mind my saying? You seem distracted. Please, relax and leave those unpleasant thoughts at the door. I assure you, soon you won't have a single care left. At least, not in the world of balloon.
Alright guys, so that was Dean the Deathologist from Home Depot. I think this guy is really cool, especially for the price of only $150. I think it's a really good price for him. And I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase him. He is currently sold out when I'm making this video, but maybe he will come back in stock. But yeah, Dad, what do you think of him?
I love him. He's great.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. The merch will be in a link in the description also. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.